guys, we're Minimal Millennials.
This is our home. Come on and check it out. I'm Christian.
I'm Aubrey.
We've been on the road about a year and a half full time.
We've built our home in this 2007 Mercedes Sprinter.
We were in San Antonio working our lives away, and we just had this question of why are we doing all this? 2 weeks later, we bought a van. Took 6 months to build it.
And we've been on the road ever since. Welcome to our living room. So we eat here, we work here, we host here.
We've got this super long couch that doubles as a guest bed. And below me, we've actually got our closets. We've got like a laundry hamper right here that doubles also as an extra seat so we can make this a bigger couch. Aubrey's from Los Angeles, I'm from Austin, and we honeymooned in Iceland and Reykjavik. So, you know, something a little bit special to us.
This is our electrical setup. It's all completely run off of solar. We have 2 solar panels up on the roof, and then everything's powered. Our lights, our fan, everything we need. One of my other favorite things about our build is our ceiling. We worked with a company who does all reclaimed wood, and it just kind of brings the whole thing together.
Under here, we keep our fridge. We can usually go off grid 1 to 2 weeks. We bought this particular fridge because it's really deep and it doesn't open from the front. That works amazing for our food situation. So we built this kind of like a bar. You know, we can open up the door, serve people from out of it. So here's our stove. When we moved onto the road, I think we were kind of concerned about losing friends. But the amazing thing is that people who are out on the road have to rely on each other.
A lot of times we'll reach out to our Instagram following and say, hey, we're rolling into this city. Where should we check out? And we always have a bunch of messages from people. Our water situation is all very contained. We have 2 6-gallon water tanks for our fresh water, and then we have 1 more 6-gallon water tank for our gray water. We do have an electric water pump, so we just flip the switch here and we're running water. To shower, what we do is we have a gym membership with a bunch of locations all over the States and even into Canada. It works out because then we're motivated to work out. We also can get a shower.
All right, guys. Come on to the bedroom, let's check it out, baby.
We have a queen-size mattress here. It's the most comfortable mattress we've ever owned.
This is a lifestyle for us. It's not something that we're going on vacation for. We're not out here for a week. We are living full time on the road. I think a lot of this van build culture is very DIY. And the fun thing is there's no right way to do this.
If this is something that you want to try out, do it. Do it yourself. It's totally possible. We had absolutely no experience building anything, but we really wanted to make it happen because I knew that we could do it. That feeling of like building your home, it's so visceral and so awesome, and we'd highly recommend it.